Hello student, welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss about part 2 video, that's uh, compound name and their molecular formula. The first one is hypochlorite. Hypochlorite means there ClO minus hypochlorite. Potassium bromide, that's KBr. Chromic acid H2CrO4. Okay, next one dihydride. Okay, dihydrogen monoxide, that is OH whole 2. Methyl acetate C3H6O2. Dimethyl sulfide C2H6OS. Then hexane. Okay, hexane is C6H14. Eugenol, that is C10H12O2. Manganese dioxide MnO2. Okay, then lactic acid, that is C3H6O3, lactic acid. Okay, sodium potassium tetrate C4H4O6 Kna4H2O, sodium potassium tetrate. Hexamine, that is C6H12N4. Lithium hydroxide, okay, LiOH. Phosphorus pentachloride PCl5. Potassium oxide K2O. Monopotassium phosphate, that is KH2PO4. Silver acetate AgC2H3O2. Sodium acetate Na3C6H5O7. Sodium fluoride NaF. Sodium nitrate NaNO2. Sulfate ion, okay, SO4 2 minus, sulfur ion. Barium carbonate, that is BaCO3. Calcium iodide, that is CaL2. Hydrogen sulfate HSO4 minus. Lithium oxide, that is Li2O. Dimethyl oxime, that means C4H10H8N2O2. Potassium permanganate KMnO4. Okay, KMnO4. Silver phosphate, that is AgCl3PO4. Ammonium bromide NH4Br. Calcium phosphate, that is Ca3PO4O2. Dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. Aluminum sulfate, that is Al2S3. Ammonium carbonate, that is NH4 whole 2 CO3. Barium chloride, that is BaCl2. Okay, nitrogen monoxide NO. Fructose, that is C6H12O6. Then magnesium iodide Mgi2. Magnesium sulfate Mgs. Ozone, that is O3. Okay, then potassium cyanide, that is KCN. Silver oxide, that is Ag2O. Sodium chromate, that is Na2CrO4. Then sodium peroxide N2O2, Na2O2. Toluene, that is C7H8. Zinc carbonate, that is ZnCO3. Zinc phosphate, that is Zn3SPO4 whole 2. Zinc sulfide, that is ZnS. Paradichlorobenzene C6H4Cl2. Baric oxide, that is B3 H3BO3, oxalate that is C2O4 2 minus, potassium bicarbonate KCCO3, then potassium hypochlorite that is KClO, potassium nitrite that is KNO2, bromomethyl blue C27H28Br2O5S, ammonium iodide that is NS4I, ammonium nitrite that is NS4NO2, ammonium oxide that is NS4 whole 2O, argon gas AR. Okay, argon gas, what is AR? Barium bromide that is BaBr2, barium iodide that is BaI2, bromate that is BrO3 minus, dinitrogen trioxide N2O3. Okay, ethyl glycol that is C2H6O2, nickel sulfate that is NiSO4, helium that is He, iodide that is Mi minus, lead lead to acetate that is PbC2H3O2 whole 2, that is lithium chloride LiCl, potassium ion that is phosphate ion that is PO4 3 minus, potassium fluoride that is Kf, potassium sulfide that is K2SO3, silver carbonate that is Ag2CO3, sodium cyanide that is NaCN. Okay, sodium nitrate that is Na3N, strontium chloride SrCl2, strontium nitrate that is SrNO3 whole 2, urea that is CH4 N2O, bleach that is NaClO, aluminum fluoride AlF3, barium fluoride BaF2, butanoic acid that is C4H8O2, calcium hydride that is CaH2, copper 2 carbonate that is CuCO3, fluorine that is F, lithium phosphate Li3FPO4, glycerol that is C3H8O3, hypobromous acid that is HBRO, hypoiodous acid that is HIO, lead iodide PbI2, lithium iodide LiI, magnesium oxide that is MgO, urethane that is C3H7NO2, nickel nitrate that is NiNO3 whole 2, sodium dicarbonate that is Na2Cr2O7, tartaric acid. Okay, C4H6O6, zinc iodide that is Zni2, bromine that is Br, aluminum bromide that is AlBr3, sodium percarbonate C2H6Na4O12, nickel acetate that is C4H6O4Ni, sodium thisulfate Na2S2O3, acetaldehyde that is C2H4O, copper sulfate CuSO4, mannitol that is C6H14O6, calcium chloride that is CaCl2, magnesium glutamate that is C5H8NO4A, polystyrene that is C8H8N, calcium carbide that is CaC2, tetrachloroethylene that is C2Cl4, sodium chloride, calcium carbide CaC2, tetrachloroethylene that is C2Cl4, then potassium iodate that is KiO3, lead acetate that is PbC2H3O2 whole 2, potassium thiocyanate that is KSCN, then butane that is C4H10, maltose that is C12H22O11, polyurethane foam that is C27H26 N2O10, formaldehyde that is next formaldehyde CH2O, formic acid HCOOH, sulfur hexafluoride SFO6, then phosphorus trichloride that is PCl3, ethane that is C2H6, dinitrogen pentoxide that is N2O5, then phosphorus acid that's F3H3PO4 3, potassium ferrocyanide that is K4FeCN whole 6, xenon difluoride ZeF2, diatomic bromide that is Br2, phenyl that is C6H5, phosphorus triiodide that is Pl3, peroxydisulfuric acid that is H2S2O8, potassium phosphate K2HPO4, aluminum hydroxide that is AlOH whole 3, ammonium perosulfate that is NS4O2S2O8, sodium borate N2 that is B4O Na2 that is B4O5 OH whole 4, this 8 water molecule, chloroacetic acid C2H3O2Cl, potassium acetate that is CH3COK or CO2K, barium oxide that is BaO, copper 1 oxide that is CuO, copper hydroxide that is COH whole 2, tin oxide that is SnO2, chlorine trifluoride that is ClF3, ethylene that is C2H4, acetylene that is C2H2, chromic oxide Cr2O3, sodium bisulfate that is NaSO4, copper 2 chloride CuCl2, mercury chloride that is MgCl2, tin chloride that is SnCl2, propane that is C3H8, lead oxide that is PbO2. This is the last questions and answer, and thank you for watching, and subscribe, share and comments also, and for more video follow us mostly. Thank you.